wakey, Thomas. You should know better than to sleep on the job, silly.
Oh dear, I forgot. Thank you, Edward.
Whoa!
Hey!
I say!
You useless blue brat!
What the fuck? Jeez, Fred, what was that for?
This is payback for telling the Fatt Director about what I told you about not derailing on switches and for delaying my passenger train.
That is enough from you, Fred. You've caused enough trouble this week. Get back to work.
No wonder they call you Old Iron.
Are you alright, Thomas? Nothing broken?
No, I'm alright, Edward, don't worry.
It's all Thomas's fault, sir.
Silence! You have been nothing but trouble since you arrived, Fred. Always blaming Thomas for your own issues. You've left me no choice. You shall leave my railway at once.
What? But, sir...
No buts, Fredrick. Now leave and never return.
Good riddance.
Oh, fine. I'll leave. The North Western Railway can go to hell. Good day. I never liked the stupid railway anyways.